Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make this delicious, and I mean it's really delicious, potato and eggplant curry. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got one regular sized eggplant or aubergine or whatever you call that. Cut that into kind of nice small cubes. Here I've got like two regular sized potatoes. Now what I've done with these potatoes is I've peeled them, washed them, and I've parboiled them so they're kind of half cooked. That's just to speed up the cooking time. You can do it from raw if you want. One onion, which I've cut really small, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh chilies, up to you how many you put in, 2 regular sized tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe tomato, and in here are powders. Now what we've got here today is equal parts 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, chili, and that one there is anise. So it's got a beautiful, beautiful flavour. So that's about it. We're going to start this off with a few cumin seeds in some oil and add some salt. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, just getting that nice and hot. And we're going to drop in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're just going to let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They're going to infuse it beautifully. This is going to take no time at all. It really is easy, this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop in my eggplant first. I want to go just for like 3 minutes to get them started. Okay, we're now going to go in with our onion. Like I say, 1 onion. I've cut it really, really small. And we're going to add our garlic ginger, which is a tablespoon. I'm going to go for 2 more minutes. As you can hear, we're on a fairly lively heat. Okay, next step we're going to add our potatoes. And like I said, my potatoes are parboiled. They're about 50% cooked. Maybe 60%. And again, just 2 minutes, just get some flavours on those potatoes. Incredible stuff. Let's get some salt in the mix. And then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look. So, teaspoon each. I've got chili, turmeric, coriander, and the anise powder, which is really beautiful. In goes our fresh chili. Just give that one little mix. We're going to add that fresh tomato now. We're going to add a little bit of water. That was cold water, by the way. We're going to get a lid on this, lower the heat down to a kind of medium. Leave it alone. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there. And that is wonderful, truly wonderful. Check that for salt. You might want to touch it up a little bit with some more salt. You can add some fresh cilantro if you want. Today I'm adding fresh mint, which gives it a really, really lovely flavour. Perhaps a pinch or 2 of garam masala powder if you want. I don't find it necessary in this one. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.